What's up, my curly niestas? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another wig review. Yes, honey. So this wig is from a company called Fancy Hair. Yes. And baby, this wig is fire, okay? Like, I am absolutely in love with it. Transparent lace, braided up, okay? Comes with the rubber bands already on it. And I am here for it. So I was showing you in the beginning what it comes with. So it came with the wig cap and all that other good stuff. I showed you the lace details, the combs, where the combs actually go, which is towards the temple area. So right here, I'm just pulling on it because I like to see how far it's going to cover my hair, because my hairline comes out pretty far, honey. So yes, I am here for it. Like, it came with the baby hairs and everything. Okay, child, you couldn't tell me nothing about this wig. Let's go. So here I was going to record how I laid it down, but baby, it was tedious. Your girl was in the mirror, okay? And I was like, I gotta get this thing on. So just in case you want to know exactly what I was using the Eben spray, or even spray as you guys call it, the lace hold, the black can. And then what I did was this tuck in method. So what you want to do is put a bobby pin there, but I just tucked it up and under and behind my ear. So that's a good way to keep the ear tabs from being stuck to your original natural hair if you don't want to lose those edges. Okay, honey? So right here, we're just going ahead and cutting the baby's hairs off. And then I went in with some Got2b, as you can see. So we're just going to go ahead and lay these baby hairs down. And I'm going to let you watch the rest of this video. But baby, this thing is phenomenally fire. Just keep watching. Yes, y'all. So as you can see, the baby hairs laid so nicely. I was super happy about that. And it does come with the rubber bands, like I said in the beginning. So I'm pretty sure you can undo the hair and leave it out and about. But I was like, no, we're going to keep these rubber bands in. Okay, I like the braided look. It's just so cute and full and sassy. And look at this. Like, what? Oh my goodness. I'm absolutely in love. Now, what I did want to say is, if you do happen to mess up, which I did, I don't know if you noticed, but the baby hairs were kind of stuck to my head from holding down the hair while I sprayed it with the Eben spray. And so it's okay. It's okay. You don't got to pull them up or anything. Just go ahead and add your Got2b, slay them things, baby, and call it a day. Also, don't forget to make sure that your sideburns are done. I was showing you that in the beginning, and I'm probably going to show you again here that my sideburns are done. And then you have your baby hairs you can leave loose on the side. So I was absolutely here for it. Stunning, beautiful unit. I absolutely love it. Y'all should comment. Let me know what you think about this unit. Is this something that you would pick up? Because I did. And I absolutely love it. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and get into a couple of styles that I feel like you could do. And I didn't have any scrunchies available, so I was just holding it with my hand. But I'm going to stop talking and let you guys keep watching. Y'all, this is by far the cutest baby hair braided curly wig I have ever seen in my life. Like, y'all, get it into it, okay? Like, I am so here for it. And I thank you guys for joining me on this video. And I will see you guys in my next wig review. Okay, honey? Bye.